Hey, it's Allison with Destinations in Florida, and I'm super excited to talk with you today about the My Disney experience. I was so lucky to be one of the first guests to actually test out the My Disney experience, and I have loved it ever since. My family and I use it all the time. As you guys probably follow us on Jones Family Travels, we've been to Disney World over 1,000 times. So we use the My Disney experience a lot and love it. Today I'm going to walk you through how to use the My Disney experience on the computer. First thing we're going to want to do is go to My Disney Experience. If you do not have an account, you're going to click the button that says Create an Account. Basically, you're going to create your Disney account, fill in all of this information, and that will create your first account with Disney as well as your My Disney experience. Once you create the account, you can actually go ahead and log in to My Disney experience. This is what it currently looks like. Now, it's always changing, but this is what it looks like right now. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to My Disney experience and profile. We are going to create a little character. Look at all the options. Not only do you have Pixar characters and Star Wars characters. Oh my gosh, you have Flash. I love that. Flash, 50-yard dash. Lots of characters to choose from. So today, I think I'm going with Flash. So all you do is select your character. And then you go to the very bottom and hit done. And that's going to save your character. Now, you can actually fill out the rest of this information in your profile. Your name and birthday, your membership, your tickets, change your account setting, update your email address or contact information. You can even opt in to receive emails from Disney. And then also, if you want to have a credit card on file for the online check-in or for dining reservations, we actually leave a credit card on file. So when we're at the parks, if we want to use the mobile app, it actually charges right to your credit card. You have all these options that you can just go and fill out right now. Let's go back to your plans. This takes you back to the home screen. Once you book any reservations, those will actually pop up right here. So you'll be able to see all of your hotel reservations, any FastPass Plus reservations, things like that, you'll be able to see right here. Now let's go through a few things here. So friends and family, you can actually add friends and family to your My Disney experience. If you are traveling with friends and you want to book FastPass Plus reservations all together, you can actually do that right here under this family and friends. You just click on that link, go down to the very bottom where it says Add Guest, left click on Add Guest. You can then add their information. You can import their hotel reservation, or you can just enter their name. Now the next option is your resort hotel. If you booked your vacation, you're going to want to click on Link a Reservation. If you book a hotel only, or if you book a package, you're going to want to go into this section and add your resort reservation. All you're going to do is right here, add your confirmation number. That's your Disney Resort confirmation number or package confirmation number, and then your last name. Once you're done adding those two, you just hit next. That's it. Your reservation will then pop up into your My Disney experience. If you have any dining reservations, you can actually do the exact same thing. You type in your confirmation number for your dining reservation, type in your last name, and then hit next. Super easy. Once you do those, then your dining and your resort reservation will both show up in your My Disney experience. If you booked only tickets, you can actually add your tickets right here. The same thing as your resort reservation and dining, you just click on Link Tickets. You're going to add your ID number. Now, at the back of your ticket, it will show a 12-digit ID number right here. You're just going to type that into your account and hit next. That is it. Super, super simple and easy to add your ticket to the My Disney experience. Now, I did show you dining, but you also have another big option right here that's dining, where you can link your reservation, or you can actually make a reservation. You can click this button right here, make your reservation on the Disney World site. Once it's confirmed and you get a confirmation, then you can actually go back and link your dining reservation. And all you do is click on link reservation. Again, you're going to type in just your confirmation number and your last name. That is it. Hit next and you are done. Let's get into the FastPass Plus reservations. Now, this does get a little bit more complicated, but I'm going to walk you through the whole entire process. Now, what is FastPass Plus? Basically, you can make a reservation for up to 3 rides or attractions at the Disney theme parks. If you're going to Magic Kingdom, you can actually book 3 reservations for rides or attractions at Magic Kingdom. Great time saver. It's a fantastic way to make your vacation a little bit more enjoyable. Now, FastPass Plus reservations, you do want to book them ahead of time. You can book them online. You can also do it through your phone. I actually use the app all the time. I will even make FastPass Plus reservations the day I'm at the park. It's still a great way to save time on the rides and attractions. But for now, let me walk you through the process right from your computer. You go to FastPass Plus, click on Make a Selection. So you're going to select your party. We're going to select Kelly Jones and then hit Next. Then you're going to select whatever dates. I'm going to select the 29th. And then you select your park. Now, you do have to select the date and the park, and you can only get FastPass Plus reservations from 1 park at a time per day. So I'm going to get FastPass Plus reservations for Magic Kingdom on that day. And then you can go in and select the ride or attraction. And it lists the ride or attraction. You can even click on more details if you need a little bit more information about the attraction. You get the height requirements, what kind of age is good for the ride. A few more details, even shows the location of the ride or attraction. And then it shows all of the FastPass times. Lots of availability on this date. But I'm going to go back and look and see what other options we have. Now you can select morning, you can check afternoon and see what pulls up. You can even pick a specific time. If you know you have a character breakfast at 10 a.m. and you probably would not be able to start your first FastPass until 12 noon, you can actually pick a specific time. So I picked 12 noon and it looks like we have Barnstormer available. Buzz Lightyear, Space Ranger Spin is available. Dumbo, gotta love Dumbo. Lots of options to choose from. So I am going to pick, I love the Mad Tea Party. That's a fun one. Oh, and Many Adventures of Winnie the Pooh. So I'm going to select the Many Adventures of Winnie the Pooh. Shows the location, the time, and then all I hit is confirm. Now, you can add 2 more FastPass Plus reservations for the same day. I am going to do a reservation. Let me see. I'm going to do Ariel at 1:30. And then again, it shows the reservation, shows the time, shows the party, and then you hit confirm. And this time I'm going to pick a specific time. I'm going to pick 1:30. Now, I just booked a reservation about the same time. So as I put this time in, immediately it kind of flagged and it said you already have a FastPass experience at this time. Disney will not let you book 2 FastPass Plus reservations at the same time. I had another little snag here, Big Thunder Mountain. It says we couldn't find any results near 1:30, but here are some other options. So it gives us a few options. I'm going to book Buzz Lightyear at 3:20. So now I'm done. I've booked all 3 reservations, and here are my selections. We have Winnie the Pooh at 12 to 1, Ariel from 1:30 to 2:30, and then Buzz Lightyear from 3:20 to 4:20. A few things for you to know. You actually cannot go to a ride before your Fast Pass Plus time. So for Winnie the Pooh, I cannot get on the ride before 12 p.m. They will not let you on before 12 p.m. But the good news, it says it ends at 1 p.m. They do give you some flexibility on that. I have actually gotten on rides as late as 45 minutes after this time. Now, Disney doesn't like you to do that, but if you are caught up at a dining or at a parade or another park, do not panic if you missed your time. Still go to the ride and try to get on the ride. Most of the time, they'll just let you go. It may show red when you first use your Magic Band. That's okay. They still sometimes will automatically let you through. So a little tip to know about that. Let me show you how to add an extra guest. So under View Details, I'm going to go into Add Guest. And I'm going to add Hunter Jones into this reservation. And now I have added Hunter Jones into the same time slot from 12 to 1. See how easy that was? And all I do is hit confirm. Now I have 2 reservations for the Winnie the Pooh, 1 reservation for Ariel, 1 reservation for Buzz Lightyear's Space Ranger Spin. Super, super easy. So now I could book the rest of Fast Passes for the rest of my vacation. Now I'm going to go over to My Plans. And all of these reservations we just made are now going to show up under My Plans. So see right here, we had all of our tickets. We went over those earlier. These are my friends and family that are part of my group. And then down below are my plans, reservations, and tickets. And it shows on April 29th, Magic Kingdom, the hours, and it shows all of my reservations and who have the reservations right there. Under My Plans, if I had my hotel reservation or a package, that would show up right here as well. And then you also have the option to click on Tickets and Memory Maker. If you purchase Memory Maker, it would be listed right here as well. So this is the My Disney experience on your computer or your iPad. If you come over to the My Disney experience here, you can kind of scan down and see everything that they have. I'm going to actually do the My Magic Bands and cards. This is where you can actually order your Magic Bands. They will be shipped to you when you order a package. I haven't actually ordered my Magic Bands in a while, so I'm going to go ahead and order one. As you can see, I have a bunch of Magic Bands. Those are all my Magic Bands. All right, let me see if I can order a Magic Band, because as annual pass holders, you can actually get a Magic Band. So I'm going to go ahead and order a new Magic Band. You can come down here to customize my Magic Band. Just click on Customize. And then you can pick whatever color you want. So many options to choose from. I think I'm going to go purple this time. Your name can be on there as well. So once you're ready, just hit save. Be sure you order Magic Bands ahead of time. When you have your Magic Bands ahead of time, you actually don't even have to go to the front desk. You can check in online on the app, and then all you do is use your Magic Band to access your room or use the app to unlock your door. So make sure you do order your Magic Bands ahead of time and go ahead and customize and make them fun for your family. It's a little fun little evening activity. My Magic Band has been ordered, and I'm going to click right here where it says ship now. Now it shows right here that your Magic Band order is being personalized and check back soon. Basically, it's going to give you details of when your Magic Band is on its way. So that's how you do the Magic Bands. Again, you can connect with your family and friends. We talked a little bit about that. You can actually go right to your My Disney experience to see your pictures. Here's some of our pictures here with some friends from Being Mommy with Style. But as you get your photo pass, PhotoPass, and as you use your Magic Band or use your PhotoPass card, your PhotoPass pictures will just show up in your My Disney experience, which is kind of cool. So here's all of our pictures right here in the My Disney experience. Oh, there's some of our team at Destinations in Florida. And then all your pictures are right there. That is how to use the My Disney experience on your computer or your iPad. Now, make sure you check out the next video. We'll include a link in the eye in the sky. The next video is all about using the My Disney experience on your app. And that is the one that I use all the time and I love. The app is amazing. Not only can you use your smartphone to unlock your resort room, you can use your smartphone to do mobile ordering, which means if you go to one of the counter service restaurants, you actually don't even wait in line. You order your food, walk up and get your food. It's a huge time saver. The app is amazing. So make sure you check out part 2 of the My Disney experience with the app. Thanks so much for joining us. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.